Hello friends, we are going to discuss the logical operators in Python. The logical operators, also known as a Boolean logical operators, that refer the way the relationship among the values can be connected. Why it is a Boolean logical operator? Because outcome of the logical operator is either true or false. Python provide three logical operators to combine the expression. They are and, or, not are the three logical operator. And operator returns true if the both the expressions are true. If the left hand side and right hand side expressions are true, and will return true. If any one of the expression is false or the both expression are false, it will return a false. So see this example: 2 less than 5 is a true, 2 less than 10 is a true. True and true, which returns true. Or operator returns true if one of the expressions are true. If either the left hand side expression or the right hand side expression is true, the logical or returns true, otherwise it returns false. Here 5 greater than 4 is true, 5 greater than 10 is false. True or false, which returns true. Not operator, it reverses the result and return false if the result is true. Otherwise, it returns true if the result is false. So here we are passing the AND expression. The outcome of the expression is true because 2 less than 5 and 2 less than 10 is true. True is the outcome, but not operator negate the result and it will convert it into false. You will see the demo. I am initializing a variable x equal to 10, y equal to 5. I am creating a print statement, print. So I am displaying a first string first, x greater than y and x and y less than x is, I am giving this expression x greater than y and y less than x. So capital S. Okay, we'll see the outcome. X greater than y and y less than x is true. Why it is true? Because x equal to 10, y equal to 5. So here 10 greater than 5 and 5 less than 10 is true. I am making a slight modification. X greater than y, here I am giving y greater than x. So y greater than x. So what will happen now? X greater than y. That means 10 greater than 5 is true. 5 greater than 10 is false. Right hand side expression is false. Now it will return the value false. See here is false because y greater than x is false. So next I am going to write an OR operation. Here I am giving an OR. So now what will happen? Here we are having a x greater than y. 10 greater than 5 is true. 5 greater than 10, y greater than x is false. True or false, it will return true only. So here it is an OR operator. So see the second one. So here x greater than y is true, y greater than x is false. True or false returns true. Next, the negation operator, that is a not operator. So here what I am going to do, I am going to use the not operator for the previous expression. So here I am using not. Okay. So what is the value of previous expression? That means OR operator, it is true. Now the not operator will convert it into false. So see this third expression. The same expression is passed inside the not operator. It converts it into false. So We have seen the explanation of and, or, and not operator and the demonstration. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.